toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. Lie. Not a JA, it's a brand new day here in this side of the world. We're in France, to be exact. If you're new to the channel and don't know who we are, my name is Melissa, the queen of the pack. And the king of the pack is taking a nap. And if you don't know, my husband have COVID-19. Kind of crazy to say it every time I say it. But anyway, I know you guys want to hear update on Babe, so I'm just gonna dive into it first before I tell you guys anything else. Babe is resting. He's taking as much rest. He has never taken this much rest in life. He's resting. His back pain this morning is minimal, so with each day his pain get less and less and better. So he woke up this morning and had breakfast. I'll show you guys what I gave him for breakfast this morning. So here goes Babe breakfast for this morning. I'm giving him green juice, pineapple, and pancake and eggs. He ate breakfast and he's doing okay. He's taking a nap right now. On the other hand, how are we all doing? How is everybody else doing? We are doing good. I am doing fine. I had a rough night last night with Sarah. Sarah, she's taking a nap now also. Sarah is teething. I think the bottom teeth, I think 2 of them coming up one time, and the past few nights and days she's been fussy and clingy. Last night was really rough. She woke up 2 o'clock and Sarah insisted on not going back to sleep. At 5 a.m. Sarah was still up watching her tablet. Funny enough that Sarah would cry and scream on her lungs, and once I give her the tablet in the night, she starts smile and sing. She sing, "Twinkle, twinkle, star." I wish you guys could hear Sarah singing. Sarah loves to sing. She don't talk much. She don't say a lot of words. But when it comes on to Sarah and singing, she sing. Okay? I'm going to try and catch her one of these days singing for you guys. But she sing. And if it's a A, B, C, you say V, W, Z, C, T. That's Sarah for you. Okay? She might not talk much, but she loves singing. And she loves dancing. But anyway, Sarah is done taking a nap. She had a rough night, a very rough night. When I tell you that, I had it with her last night. But we gotta do what we gotta do. It's all a part of parenting. It's all a part of life. We just gotta do what we gotta do. But I'm okay. I woke up, I made the fam bam breakfast. I jumped right into cooking because I have some work to do on my computer today to put out some content. So that's what's on my agenda. So I am in the kitchen making dinner. Yes, I'm making dinner even before I make lunch. So I'm making dinner right now. This glare over my head though. Cha! I'm making dinner right now, and on the dinner menu today I'm making curry goat, some mixed vegetable. I think in the pot I have broccoli, carrot, corn, green beans, and then I'm making some rice to go with the curry goat. So that's what for dinner, and then I'll figure out what to give the boys and everybody else for lunch. In 15 minutes is lunchtime, but I think babe not gonna have lunch until the next hour, so because he just went down back for a nap, and Sarah is taking a nap too. But yeah, that's what's happening around here. On the other hand, we are doing good. We are okay. We're taking everything a step at a time. Can't complain. We have life. We are taking care of each other, taking care of babe. Hopefully you guys are doing well and you guys are staying safe, which is most important. On the other hand, thank you guys for all the continued love that's been sent to us and to babe. We appreciate it all. You guys will see the kids in a bit. Tyler is around here. Actually, Tyler and I have been playing a lot of games together when I have the time, just to, you know, make him not miss Papa too much, because Papa and him would play a lot on the weekend. But now that we don't have Papa to play on the weekend, Mama gotta share herself between everybody, and that is okay. So let me show you guys wagwan in a midochi. Yeah, show you guys wagwan over here. So but we not the onion yet. No onion in a me pot. No onion not in a me pot. I'm gonna add some onions to this pot, and I'll show you guys what's good in the neighborhood.
Mama.
Yes, Dad.
I have a bad news.
You get stuck?
No.
What happened?
There's the same blog that I call you for. This one.
And what? You don't have any space for it?
Yes, I do.
So put it. You don't need me.
Just that I don't know where to put it.
Just think about it and put it in a good spot.
I put it in a good spot. I can put it there and it will destroy a line.
You destroy a line?
Yes.
So that's good. Alright, so my curry goat there, you just need to simmer now, and we done cook that. See my veggie there over there, so yes, look good. And rice. So dinner is ready. Can you guys believe that I've been up with Sarah from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. this morning? No, sir. And then when she finally fall asleep, at 6:45, there goes Sarah crying again. I'm like, Lord, help me. But it happened.
Mama, come help me put the piece like it did.
I must come help you.
Wagwan face.
Tell Phil what's
Comment
going
down
on.
below where I should put this piece. Like it did.
By the time they see that, it will be days late. You're gonna sit and wait until they come in?
Yes.
You're too funny.
And I'm going to play.
You see, you guys, with everything that I have to do where the kitchen is concerned, I rather do it when Sarah is sleeping, because when she wake up, Miss Clingisha is gonna cling to me like a handbag.
Mama, I think around this one, I put it
Wow,
here.
you're doing good. This
And I
one
don't-
can go right here. Yep.
Mama, Emperor, 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 Emperor,
You calling Tyler? Call Tyler. Oh, Tyler, take time. Oh, you guys, this is the happiest Sarah has been all day. We are just here. As you guys can see, the kids are playing. Baby's actually walking on the treadmill. He messaged me to tell me that he's going walking. And I'm here trying to get some work done. Oh, trying to get some work done, but I'm tired. Can you tell I'm tired? But I'm happy that the kids are playing right now, so I can get some work done. Look at them. Look at the two of them. Sarah, did she tie? Sarah, that diaper want to change. Come.
I can smell it.
Here, come.
You don't smell it like she caca.
Maybe she just pee pee. Come. Kara, come. Let me change her diaper. Come, princess. Come. Come. Diaper change.
No.
She tried to find you. Tyler, be careful. You kick her with your foot. Take time. Tyler, and be careful you fall. Find Tyler. Where's Tyler? You find him, Sarah? Tyler, you're gonna fall off this couch. She seen herself? She seen herself? You're in head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulder, knees and toes, You're so cute! Yay!
Head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulder, knees and toes, Yay! Knees and toes. Alright, you guys, so there goes the husband dinner for today, and she ain't leaving me one bit. It's the same thing you have. Sit and eat. Babe, dinner for today. Miss Tida. Look at her. Look at her. Hey, mama. At mama foot.